Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And that's right, it finally came. Remember last time on my last YouTube video, I claimed that I was getting a big multi-mega gaming PC for video editing and doing my YouTube episodes, because my old laptop just wasn't cutting it. Plus, this is a beast of a computer for YouTube, and without this, I would have not been able to continue making YouTube videos and making music and my albums and all that. And maybe I'll do a little bit of Call of Duty gaming since it's a gigantic gaming rig. I mean, it's powerful. Anyways, this gaming PC here, there goes my knife. It says it has Windows 10 Home. It has an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 clock cores, 3.5, that's 3.6 gigahertz, 8 DDR4 memory RAM, which later I'll upgrade to 64 gigs of RAM or 16 for faster rendering my YouTube videos. And it comes with an AMD Radeon RX 580 8GB GPU graphics card, and it comes with a 2400 gigabyte SSD, and it also comes with a 2 terabyte hard drive. Oh, my bad. It's 240 gigabyte SSD. And it comes with an ARGB case lighting. It has 180.11 AC Wi-Fi built in, USB gaming keyboard, USB 7 color gaming mouse, and 1 year standard warranty. And of course, it is CyberPower PCs from Best Buy. They're actually really good. But anyways, it's a Gamer Master series. Let's get with the unboxing. Let's see what it brings. First we get this random black box. And oh, nice. Let's check this out. It's like a Ziploc. Oh look, I get some type of gift card or something. I got like two $10 gift cards. It's like it's like a flash drive. That's fresh. That's legit right there. I get some sort of flash drive or something to claim my two gift cards. Important, read this first documents. Here's this thing. It's telling me to package foam removal. Here's everything. Here's the power cord, your standard power cord. We've all seen those. Oh, nice. It comes with a gaming mouse. Wow, I like this cord. Oh, it's a USB gaming mouse. It's not wireless, but hey. There's the magnets in there. It's supposedly it's a light up gaming mouse. Oh, see here it has the buttons on the side. That's pretty cool. And I saw something over here. These are the antennas for the Wi-Fi. These are just screw-ons. Put all this to the side. Oh, and here's the keyboard. Also USB. Well, that's pretty cool. I've never seen this jog wheel thing before. Oh, what the? Wow. What a gaming rig. Holy cow. It says on the packaging. It says on the packaging that I have to take out the here you go. I have to take this out. Holy cow. this beast of a bad boy. Now this is a computer. Here. Look at that beast of a graphics card. And the hard drives must be in here on the bottom. That's legit. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. And they say that this is removable. No, they're magnets. Here's the USB ports. Power button is right there. There's, wow, look at all that. Graphics card, SFX from AMD. On and off switch, as usual. Oh, I could remove any of these brackets in case I want to add a better graphics card in the future or something else. Boom. Here's your integrative graphics card. Here's where the antennas go. And they go screwed in like that. And then the other one, but I'm just doing, oh, it has more USB ports there. When I remove the sticker, it's sticky residue, it sucks. Oh look, it has one of these, which nobody uses this anymore. Has that Ethernet port. Here's your, it says it does 7.1 surround sound, but I don't know how that works. I'm gonna have to buy some speakers or something, but because I do music and all, I can't get that. I have to get the studio monitor, you know. So I'll probably make a YouTube unboxing on that later in the future. But anyways, there's really not much else to see. That's basically everything, guys. Thank you for watching this YouTube episode of my big gaming rig for making my YouTube episodes and all that good stuff. And yeah, thanks for always liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And see you on the next one. Bye.